Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kay, and today I'm here with a little bougie unboxing. If you can tell by the title, you already know what it is. It is my new Louis Vuitton pouch. Now, this is not my first luxury purchase, but I just had to do this on camera with you guys because all the other bags that I have, I don't think when I was doing them, when I got them, I wasn't doing YouTube really, so it wasn't really like an unboxing. So yes, let's get right into it. I'm sorry. All right, y'all, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my new pickup. It's so cute. And real quick, side note, this shit is nasty. If you haven't seen, all these YouTubers and whatnot posting this nasty shit, it's the Ice Peach Green Lemonade. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely. And I think it's nasty because of that green tea. I like green tea, but with the peach. But anyways, let's get into the, the real tea. So, real quick, I did not go into the store to purchase this item. I ordered this product through somebody that I met at Louis Vuitton when I was there 2 months ago. She liked my jewelry. She gave me her number. She said anytime I was looking for something, I could just text her. So I was looking at this item online and it was always sold out. So I said, okay, let me text the girl. So I text her. She was like, yeah, it's sold out everywhere. It's a really hard item to come across, so she's gonna be on the lookout for me. So I texted at the beginning of August saying that I want this item. I seen this item and I was like, okay, I really do want this. I love it. She said just keep checking back in with me because it's kind of difficult to get. So maybe after a week and a half, I gave up. I'm like, honestly, I'm not about to be pressed about no bag. If I get it, I get it. If God wants me to have it, He will make it available, but if not, then it's not that deep. I'm not gonna go into all of that. So maybe 3 weeks later, so basically at the end of August, she texts me, well, it's the end of August now, it's August 29th, but she texts me Sunday, and she said she had the item and I could come pick it up now. Now the thing when these people are doing personal shopping for you, they cannot hold the item, so you have to come get the item basically that day, or they can ship it to you that day, meaning you have to pay that day. They cannot hold the item, so I couldn't pick it up that day. So she just shipped it to me. I sent her all my info. She shipped it to me and it came. It's 2-day shipping. So actually it's 1-day shipping because she texted me Sunday. She said I could come get the item. I couldn't get it. She said, okay, I'm gonna ship it out tomorrow and it should be to you by Tuesday or Wednesday. It came Tuesday. It came in this box. I opened this box, but I did not open the actual Louis Vuitton box because I literally wanted to open it with you guys. I just wanted y'all to get my real reactions to everything. So yeah, it comes this paper over it covering the orange box, and then it comes packaged like this. So this is the box. This is the box. It comes with the tie and everything. I just love it. I just love it, y'all. So, whew. I wish I could have just kept the string on it because I love cute stuff like that. So yeah, the box has the magnetic opening. You open it up and boom. This is how the product looks when you first open the box. So it comes in, this protectant bag that says Louis Vuitton on it, and then you flip that over and I freaking love this, y'all. And I was scared because if you look at this bag online, it comes in 3 different sizes. This is, I believe, the 26, sorry. This is the 26 pouch and it comes in 26, 19, and 15, I believe. So this is the biggest one. And this is what it looks like. It has gold hardware. So the zipper, oh my god, and it's so smooth. Like, luxury is literally unmatched, because you know, you buy like a regular bag, you may have like little issues with the zipper. Like this like glides so smoothly. I love it. And here it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. You gotta get bougie with it, you know, you gotta get bougie in the hood. So yeah, when you open it up, it just has like that light tan lining inside, and it's still leather. So I just love this. And then it has these little tag stickers in there. So this is the Toiletry pouch 26. Yeah, man-made lining. So I'm gonna just put that. Okay, the reason I wanted this, like, I've been seeing this, if you're on Instagram and you follow like a couple of the UK Instagram girls, like a couple of them have this, and I kept seeing it and I'm like, it's so cute. And then when they style it as like a little clutch. It's just so freaking cute. Now this is a toiletry pouch, so it's really for your toiletries and to put it, I guess, within your purse. But I'm gonna use it as a clutch because I seen them kill it with this. Like, this is so freaking cute. And as far as toiletries, I don't really carry, I'm not like that type of girl to carry that much stuff. Like, give me some lip gloss, some gum, some lotion, we good. All the people that we carry around toothbrushes and toothpaste and all that, I don't know what telly y'all about to go to, but y'all do you. I'm obsessed with monogram Louis Vuitton. I'm not the biggest fan of the damier print. It just, I feel like damier print is easily duplicated. Like, damier print is just like, you don't know if it's real or fake. And not to say like this is like, you can't tell if it's real or fake. Like, people do have good knockoffs, but this is just like so classic and I just love it. Now I know some people don't like this print because they just feel like it's so flashy, like everybody's gonna know you have Louis Vuitton. But if you know, you know. Like, if you see the damier print, you're gonna know it's Louis Vuitton. So that's just that. I'm not trying to be flashy. It's just that I much rather prefer this print. It's classic, it's classy, I love it. Damier just is like, I don't know. I'm thinking about if I do get another item from Louis Vuitton, it'd be the damier print, but I'm not 100% sure on that one. So yeah, this matches my key pouch. So I have the key pouch in the monogram print. I always keep it either, these are my car keys, so I just been carrying it on my car keys just to, because I have so much stuff on my regular house key, and I'm trying to like downsize on everything, so hopefully I can just downsize my keys all together and just have everything. I love this as well. I'll probably do a separate video on this, but yeah, back to the main attraction. Y'all, I literally love it. Like, the leather is so soft, it's so just elegant, luxury, and just everything. Like, also, I didn't say this part yet, but the pricing is really good for it to be like multifunctional. When I say multifunctional, like I said, you could use it as a toiletry pouch, put it in your purse, or you could use it as a clutch. This is only $445 and I paid $480 with the taxes. So yeah, when you think about Louis Vuitton, you automatically think like $1,000 and more, but because this is a toiletry pouch, it's really not a purse or a clutch, you know. It's much cheaper than everything else. And then for the sizing and everything, like, the $445 is nothing. So yeah, I literally am in love with this purchase. I'm literally in love with this. So I'm so happy I finally got it. Thank you to my boo Jackie at Louis Vuitton. You are the best, girl. I already told her that I will be texting her probably within the next 2 months. Yeah, next 2 months probably, to get something else. So I'm looking to either get the Neverfull monogram bag, or the I don't remember the name of it, but it's like a crossbody, but it also has the handles, and it's like the bowling ball shape type bag. So yeah, I'm thinking about either getting that, or it's between those two, or this the Gucci crossbody with the gold hardware GGs on the front. Yeah, I'm like treating myself because I work so hard, but I'm still being responsible, so I'm not gonna just run and get it. I'm gonna just do my research. I'm probably gonna go in person, see which one is more functional for me, and then pick up that. But yes, anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. Comment down below, you know, your thoughts. Like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.